So there's a sign right there. It says Seis de Bairro. So this little neighborhood I'm going to try to capture, and we're going to put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're kind of at this cross street with Longevidad, which is right there. And then this one is actually like a Macau Street, Ayohon. But we're going to be doing these numbers ones, which is number 6. So let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're going to walk directly down our street. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so there's our street sign. If I get closer to it, you can't really see it. But yeah, we're in this Ayohon. We're not too far from the border. So we're gonna walk up that street and just kind of show you some of the shops, some of the stuff that's around here. It's a little bit industrial. You got some gold shops. I think these are a little bit, it's popular to buy gold here. This is an interesting little space. Let's just walk in here a little bit. Just want to see what's all down in here. See, we have all these little shops in here. Looks like we could actually go around. Maybe I'll just stick to our street though. But it's kind of interesting. So you'll see little placemats, different stuff. Let's keep on going up. So this is a ramp. So I think it's a ramp, private ramp for whoever is in these businesses. There's more stuff all the way down that way as well. We'll just keep on walking down. Here's a meat shop. I think some of these, you know, they're all lots of boxes, and like, we're quite close to the border, so a lot of this will be some of the stuff you can find. There's a Asahi beer, dry. It's even in Japanese. Skull. Okay, over on that side, we're gonna go over to that side. Let me just look down here real quick. The sun is quite strong. So I'm going to go across the street, and then we're gonna go show you this market right here. And this street right here is the second street of Ayohon. Let me just and then down here we also have all these kind of interesting stuff too. You capture these mailboxes. So usually when I think of Ayohon, I kind of think of these, lots of phone numbers. So this is number 2, and we're gonna go back to number 6. And then one of the things is a marketplace that's over across the street. It looks like now I might not be able to get to it, but right in there, they're doing some construction. So it looks like I won't be able to get into it. I'll try. So we're gonna go, we have to do the crosswalks over on this side. And there's actually our sign right there, number 6. So that's our street name. And then they're doing all this construction, so we'll see how that looks later. This whole space. Goes down a little ways. And I think they're gonna do something a little bit different. So this was always kind of a makeshift feel, but I think it's gonna have a different feeling altogether pretty soon. So you can actually see it now. It's look more like a permanent features. Let me just walk up a little bit and take a look. So now you can see all the markets. And that basically goes all the way up towards the border. So this little market is in here. It's also part of Ayohon. And then we also have all these little side streets here. Kind of cool looking buildings. So yeah, this Ayohon is kind of interesting. So we're gonna go back to street number 6, and we'll film over there. probably over time we'll capture what this looks like later. Right now it's in a transition, but it had a more of a look like this. It's like kind of more temporary. Okay. Oh, I got sourdough bread over there. Lots of pharmacies. We're close to the border, so there's lots of pharmacies. Lots of like, this is stuff you see more commonly at the border. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah, these little things are kind of cool as well. Just walk up briefly. Yeah, you kind of go all the way up, and you have even little ways to go across like that too. And there will be another one over on that side. So I have explored these, but this particular one I'm just going to have it targeted as street number 6. Maybe got some kind of cool stuff up there. Okay. Okay. Another gold shop. Yeah, we're very close to the border up here. And I believe the border is right there. So right there you can see that. That's actually the train station on the Zhuhai side. That building like that's directly in front of us. More of these little Ion Hone. Kind of cool. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking. Bye. It's kind of cool. Let's keep on moving down. And now we're going to be crossing the number 1 street. So that's not our street, but ours is basically Seis. So that would be number 6. That's number 1, and that's 1. So we're actually crossing this little neighborhood. There's like 9 of these streets of the Ion Hone area. Okay, let's keep on walking down. That's kind of cool right there. Some nice artwork. Super cool. Okay, that would be a pretty ideal photo right there. So yeah, Ion Hone. A little bit of a cement and brick place right there. Okay. So just keep on walking down, and then we're going to get to the end of our street momentarily. Kind of gives you an idea of different aspects of Macau, what it looks like. You can see there's these little alleys here too. And actually you can see a Nove, it's number 9. And then the Chinese character too is number 9. So pretty cool. Okay, so let's keep on going down. Gives you an idea of Macau up near the border. Has a different feel in different places. So this neighborhood has this feel. I'm kind of capturing exactly how it feels. Then you start seeing a lot of this cargo stuff, cardboard stuff, and pallets like this, because there's a lot of commerce over by the border, things going back and forth. And then this would be the end of our street right here. And you see so that was our street. And our street sign is right there. Seis Bairro, Ion Hone, number 6. Another slice of Macau for you. Yeah, if we were to go up that way, you'd go up to Hippo, you'd go directly to the border. There's a direct street right there. Anyways, that's enough.